Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 3 best toilet flush valves in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Fluidmaster 400AH PerforMAX Toilet Flush Valve. Undoubtedly, the Fluidmaster 400AH PerforMAX is one of the most powerful and most popular toilet flush valves on the market today, despite being a budget-friendly option. There are so many reasons to consider going for this valve, with it being universal and being compatible with most toilet brands one of its major selling points. Besides, the Fluidmaster 400AH PerforMAX comes with the PerforMAX technology, which allows it to activate much quicker than regular flush valves. Not only that, but it can also control your water usage thanks to its flexible roller clamp. Also, this model of flush valve is water economical and doesn't make any noise, which might make it appealing to many buyers. And if you are worried that you might not be able to install it yourself, discard that worry immediately, as installing it doesn't even need you to hire a professional. What's more, this unit also allows for a higher fill rate than the majority of standard models, which allows it to save you water while filling fast. The Fluidmaster is also backed by a 7-year manufacturer warranty, which gives buyers a lot of peace of mind on their purchase. But for all the great things we have said about this product, it would be bad to fail to mention that its flow rate is not adjustable, which might be a cause of concern for some prospective buyers. Also, the valve is slow and might take up to 90 seconds to fill. Number 2. Our second best pick is Kohler GP108316 Toilet Flush Valve. Not many names in the business of manufacturing plumbing products are stronger and more reputable than Kohler. Due to its high quality and durability, the Kohler GP108316 is one of the most popular flush valves out there. Basically, it is an adjustable flush valve that is compatible with different Kohler toilets. Apart from the fact that the size of the toilet fill is suitable for the majority of Kohler toilets, it can also be obtained in several colors. What's more, the flush valve is mostly produced using high-quality and heavy-duty plastic, which won't corrode over time. Besides, every necessary clip and washer lock nut come in the package, which means you don't have to shell extra cash on other items during installation. However, the installation of this flush valve might not be straightforward enough, as the manuals contain unclear instructions. Although, you can easily solve this problem by hiring a professional plumber for the installation. The package of this unit also includes many components that will help it fit several toilet tanks from Kohler and Fluidmaster. Moreover, the water inlet hole of this unit is extremely low, which aids its water economy. Also, it comes with various flow restrictors to enable it to meet the various flow requirements of nearly every toilet tank. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is American Standard Champion Valve. With its super quiet operation, it wouldn't take much time to notice the American Standard 3174. 105070A Champion is a rather unique model. Featuring a special design that improves valve durability and toilet performance, there are many reasons to choose this model. Besides, it has an adjustable height, which makes it a universal part that is compatible with any size, and the tank simply adjusts its height and it is all good. Much has been said about how other flush valves are difficult to install, but not this one. It's incredibly easy to install. All you need to do is just to read the instructions and adhere to the steps. Regardless of your knowledge level on plumbing, you can properly install it within 10 minutes. Moreover, this part adheres to American and OEM standards of replacement parts. When you flush out, many inches of flushing water will remain inside the water tank to improve flush power. To put it simply, this unit leaves some water in the tank rather than emptying it completely, which often occurs with low-quality valves. This feature enhances high pressure, and allows you to save some water inside the tank and utilize it when the need arises. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.